Hi everyone, this is Imran and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video training, I'm going to build a one-page WordPress website using Divi theme. And this is the website we are going to build today. And here goes the menu and here is the slider. And I used Divi full width slider. And if I scroll down, I can see the following sections. Okay, if you want, you can move to any section. Just click on the menu item, go to the service area, just on page scrolling website. Okay, we will build this website in this video training. Well, to create this website we will need a domain name and a hosting account. Okay, if you don't have, you can create this website on your local server if you are familiar with any local server like Jamf, WAMP. Okay, if you want to create and make your website live, and then you should have a domain name and a hosting account. Okay, domain name is the name of your website address. Here you can see onepage.themescode.net. It is the domain name, and these website contents are hosted in the hosting account. And to purchase a domain name and a hosting account, I would prefer SiteGround. And here is the SiteGround website, and I have opened the package link. It's provide web hosting, WordPress hosting, and WooCommerce hosting. As we are going to build this website using WordPress CMS, so I'm going to choose the package from here. It has 3 basic plans, and the first one is startup. It's only $3.95 per month, and the best seller one is Grow Big. You can host unlimited websites. Okay, today you want to create a website, but after a few months, if you need any websites to build, then you won't have to purchase any new hosting account. You can host unlimited website here. So I'm going to show you how to get this. Just click on this button, get plan, and as we are going to purchase a new domain, then here I'm going to type, I'm just going to try with this domain name. Just hit proceed, and you see the domain name is available. And from the next option, you will have to put your email address, password, confirm password, and your address, payment information, and purchase information. Finally, just check these 2 buttons and hit pay now button. Then you will get several emails in your respective email address to access and work with this hosting account environment. When your domain name and hosting account is up and running, I think it will take a few minutes. Okay, then you will follow the next steps. In this step, we will log into my SiteGround account and install WordPress CMS. And here you can see the WordPress CMS. Okay, here is the website of WordPress CMS, wordpress.org, but we won't have to download it. It will be automatic in the hosting account. Okay, just click on this login button, and you will have to put your username and password to access it. I'm going to put my username and password. Well, this is the home environment of SiteGround, and you can do several tasks here if you need. Just say, for example, if you want to add more domains, just you can transfer your domain or just load more to add any new existing domain. Okay, just go to the websites. At the moment, I have only this site added, themescode.net. What I'll have to do, just go to the site tools section. Okay, from here you will find the dashboard, And as we are going to install WordPress now, just I'm going to click on this WordPress section and install and manage. Okay, just I'm going to install WordPress only, so select this option. When you select this option, here you will see your domain names. I have several subdomains, so I'm going to choose the subdomain to install WordPress. I'm just going to install on this subdomain, and here goes installation path, just keep it blank. Okay, now you won't have to create any database, or you won't have to add your database username and password to your database. Just choose an admin username, select a password, and add an email address. I'm just going to choose a username. Okay, I'm going to choose and just generate a password. I'm just going to hit this button to copy the password. Okay, password copied. And email address, hit this orange button to install WordPress CMS for your site, and the process is going on. Well, you can see WordPress is installed on devthemescode.net. Now I'm going to access the dev site. Here goes the brand new website we have just installed just now. And what I'm going to do in this section, we are going to install the theme. To install the theme, we will have to access the WordPress dashboard. So to access the dashboard, what I'll have to do, just after the domain name, just type / and wp-admin and hit enter. And here we are going to use the username and password, hit login. Okay, for the first time you want to access the dashboard, the sideground will show you the WordPress starter setup wizard, but we will just hit this exit button. Okay, here is the dashboard, and from here we are going to access the appearance area and click on the themes to install Divi theme, and click on add new. Let's go to the Elegant Themes website and click on this Divi. If you have already purchased the Divi theme, that's fine, and if you don't have Divi theme and would like to create a beautiful website, then you can purchase it. Okay, just go to the pricing area, and here you will see the yearly plan is $89, and if you are a developer and would like to pursue a web development career, then you can access it for lifetime, and you will be able to use it in unlimited website, and you will be also use it for your clients' websites. So hit the sign up button today and use the user details, and you can pay through card or PayPal. Okay, so what I'm going to do, just step back and go to the account details. Okay, it's the member area and my account, membership. I have the lifetime membership of Divi theme, and from here you will be able to generate API keys. Okay, I'm just going to back to the product download, and in this video tutorial I'll just download the Divi theme. So click on this download Divi theme, and it's going to be downloaded very fast. Here it is. Okay, so I'm going to, here on the downloads folder, the theme has been downloaded. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get back to the dashboard, and I'll just upload the theme. Just click on this upload theme and select it, hit install now button, click activate, then you can see a new menu, Divi. So click on this Divi options, theme options, and firstly hit update. I'm going to put the username and API key. Hit save changes. It's done. Okay, you will see some several options: general, blah blah, navigation, builder, layout, ads, SEO, integration. We are not going to work with these things now. What we are going to do, go to the appearance and customizer. Here we will go to the general setting and site identity. Here goes the default settings, but according to your business you will have to put the title. Just for example, on page website, Divi on page website, and you can add site icon. Okay, just hit update, get back, and layout setting. By default the website content width is 1080, but I would like to make it 1200, so it becomes a bit wider. Hit publish, get back, and go to the typography, and here you can choose the body text size. The 14 is okay. Header text size should be 60. Header line height 1.4 m. Default theme font, I'm going to choose, here it is, and default theme font for body font, it should be Montserrat. Okay, body link color should be anything like this, and body text color a bit dark. Okay, and header text color a bit dark, or 343434. Okay, hit publish, get back. That's all. Now we are going to get out of here and go to the pages, and we are going to create a new page. As it is a one page website, so we'll just create a single page. I'm going to name it home. Hit publish and get back to the reading section. Under settings readings, just static website, select home for the home page and hit save changes button. Okay, now again go to the pages. Here you can see the home page, font page, and edit with Divi builder. We are going to use Divi builder. Okay, just hit this start building tab. For the first time it will be you will be asked, do you want to build the website from the scratch, or would you like to start with a pre-made layout, or you would like to use your any site any layout. Okay, so I'm going to build this from the scratch, so hit this section. Now what I'll do, I'll just build this full width slider. Okay, so just come to the point, just close it and remove it. Okay, what I'm going to do, click on this blue plus sign, and here you will see three options: regular, specialty and full width. I have clicked on the full width, and here you can see full width code, full width image, full width menu, and it is full width slider. I'm just going to click on this full width slider. Okay, here goes the slider. Now I'm going to remove this upper section. Okay, here it is. Okay, here you see the beautiful illustration background. I'm going to just change all of this. So to do this, I'm just going to click on this module setting. This section is for the whole section, and this one is for module. As it is a slider module, so I will work with this one. Okay, just click on this gear icon, and here you can see two slides at the moment we have. Okay, just click on this first one to edit the first slide. Okay, just here goes your title, goes here, and our title is create a beautiful website. Okay, here it is, create a beautiful website. Okay, the button text is contact now, and this body part, the text is already here. And scroll down, you see the background section. So just click on here, and you can add any solid color. Here is the solid color for your background. Okay, you can use any gradient, add gradient to the background. You can add any image. So just click on this part to add any background image. Okay, just click on this button and it will add any image from your media library. At the moment I don't have any image. Just I'm going to upload files. Select file. Here goes all the images. Okay, I'm going to select all the images I have used this website. Well, this one is the image. Here it is. So it is selected. Now upload an image. Here you can see. So now what we will have to do, we will have to design it like this. Come here, go to the design section. Here you can see title text, default font, but we will choose it bold and size 46. Go to the body text and align left. Go to the button, align left. And content width. Okay, content width will be 50%. Now get back to the title text and align it to left, but by mistake we did not select the right image for the first on. Okay, so again click on this gear icon to change the module setting. Click on this gear icon and go to the background image. I'm going to choose this one, that on the background there is an overlay color. Okay, but we should have overlay color, so just navigate to the design tab and the first option is overlay. Click on it and just select use overlay. Okay, just yes, and we are going to choose this color and we are going to make this color a bit transparent, so with 0.6. click on this tick icon. Okay, use text overlay if you want overlay on text, but we didn't choose it. Just hit this check mark. Okay, just hit this save changes button. Now the title is on left and the button is left. Okay, here it is. Now we are gonna add another slide, this one. Click here again and here we put create a beautiful on page website. Again get back, go to the second one and click here, create a beautiful. The button text will be contact now. What we are going to do, add the background image, add background and this image, this one. Okay, now we should go to the design tab, use overlay, check this blue color and make it transparent. We are going to make it transparent to 0.6 or 60, whatever, 63. Just click on this check icon. Okay, hit save. And what we want to do, again come to this design part and look up to the title text. We are going to make it bold and the font size should be 46 pixel. Okay, and go to this button part, make it left align. Okay, and body text align left, title text align left. Here you can see. Now we will have to size it to 50%, and on the design part go for sizing. Here it is, and content width should be 50%. Okay, 50%. Just hit check. Okay, but here we have 3 slides. Okay, and we left something. Just add new slide. Okay, put the text here. contact now. Okay, background image, add background image, finally this image. Now get to the design tab. Firstly, enable overlay, background overlay, and choose this blue color, make it transparent to 60%. Okay, 6. Now just click here. We want to take care of the title. Title text will be bold and font size should be 46. Okay, and alignment of the text, title text alignment left, body text alignment left. You can work with the body line text line height. Okay, 1.8 looks cool. What about 1.9 m? Okay, just 1.8 should be better. And take care of the button alignment left. Now we are going to resize to 50%. Okay, here it is. Almost done, but here you can see it animate. The text animate. What about this one? We are going to set it here. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, they are the default animation. They are the default animation. We are just going to customize. Well, now we will increase the height of the slide. Here again, go to the module setting, go to the design, and you can see sizing, and here you will find minimum height. Okay, and minimum height. Okay, I'm just going to set it 800 pixel or 750 should be better. That's cool. Well, it's all about the header slider. I think we could design the slide. Now we are going to move to another section, our services. Now what we'll do, just click on this icon, plus icon, and under regular we are going to take this one, 3 column row. Here you can see 3 column row, and for every column we will take blurb. Okay, now here you can see the blurb, but it doesn't look like this. What we will do, we'll just firstly brand design strategy. The text is, we are going to take the text and go to the image icon. We will use image, use this icon, image. Okay, so we are going to get the background color. To get the color code, what we are going to do, just we are going to use this Chrome extension. Just this is the color, and I'm going to put the color value here. Here goes it. Okay, but just sorry, again I'm going to background selected, and let's see the design part. Okay, just for the title, sorry, firstly I'm going to put some space padding. I mean, I'm going to add some padding. For the top section I'm going to add 60 pixel. For the bottom I'm going to add 60 pixel, and for left I'm going to add 40 pixel. Okay, quite good. Now let's get to the title text. What I'm going to do, just going to make it bold, and the alignment is center alignment, and bring the text color to white. Font size 26. Okay, 19 pixel, and body text color white, alignment center. Okay, alignment left. Title alignment should be left. I made the mistake. Left, and it is okay. Now scroll down. You can add box shadow. Okay, if you want, you can add box shadow to it, and you can change the box shadow. You can change the box shadow color. And minimize the spread. Just a little blur. Okay, if you like, you can add box shadow. And animation, fade in animation, what does it do? Okay, I'm going to remove it. Just fade in, but you can slide in, bounce. Okay, add bounce or fold, flip. Fold is good. Animation direction center, left, right. Okay, right. And you can change the value, animation duration, and try yourself. It's not a big deal. I'm going to save it, and I have two others. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to duplicate it. Okay, here it is. So I'm going to drag and drop here. I'm going to drag and drop here. Okay, just pretty simple. So what I'll have to do, just go back here and change the image to this. Okay, and background color this. I'm just going to get the background color. Get color, change the color. Just click this little tick icon to save the color. Okay, here it is. But you can see a bit, what should I say, violet or purple color blur. So again, change it, go to the design and go to the box shadow, and for the box shadow color you will add the right background color. Okay, now it looks cool. Again, I'm going to change this, so just click on this gear icon and go to image icon, change it to this one. Okay, and color is this. Just get the color code, background color, sorry, just go to the design and go to the box shadow, so the color, this one. Okay, I could make the 3 service section. You can easily change the what should I say, the text here. Web application, dev, content marketing. Okay, it's so easy to change text, color, emails, everything. Now here is the part. Now you can see this section we are going to create, this row. Actually, what I'm going to do, just create a new row, here it is, and add some text. Here it is, text module. It is just, I'm going to drag and drop here. Okay, now let's design it. What is it? Our services. Go to the text module and hit enter, put the text and come back again and select it, click here to make it heading 2. Okay, now go to the design part, go to the sizing, sizing should be 50%. Okay, and module alignment center, sorry, and sizing 50% and module alignment center. Now what I'm going to do, bring it center, go to the design part, now go to the heading text, it's H2, make it bold and alignment should be center. That's all. If you want, you can increase or decrease the font size. I used 56 most probably. Okay, just click here. Now we could successfully add service section. You can add any background color for this service section. Just come here on this section editor, go to the background. You can add any background here. Okay, just you can add any background gradient if you want. Say for example, first color would be white and second color will be black or a bit brown. Okay, so you can add gradient to the section background and make it direction should be 90%. Okay, you can make the design different according to your choice. You can add gradient color or you can change the color to anything. Well, white should be better, but if you don't like, anytime you can remove the gradient. Just click on this bin button. Okay, just vanished, just it's gone. Okay, and you can try adding any image. Just say for example this image or this image. Go to the design part. Well, let's remove it, and it's our time to create this section, about section. Okay, what we are going to do, just again click on this blue plus sign and click on regular, and click on this 2-row column. Click on this 2-column row. Okay, just here it is. And here we will add an image. We are going to change the image to this one. Now you can see. Okay, and on the right I will add a text module. Okay, just I'm going to get the text and go to the here. I'm going to paste the text and going to select it, and here heading 2. Okay, heading 2, but it was a lot more text. Here it is. Okay, now I'm going to design the title. Let's select the design tab, heading text. For heading we used H2 and make it bold and left aligned. We are going to reduce the size and line height to 2M. That's cool. Now we are going to save it. Sorry, there is a button here, I forgot it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a module inside this column. Just click here and I'm going to add button. Just search for button. Here it is, and read more. Okay, read more. I'm going to get the text background color of this button. Now go to the design part. Use custom style for button. I'm going to add the background color. Okay, border radius to 100 pixel. Font should be bold. Button icon right. Go to the text part. I'm just going to choose light. Okay, here it is, but this button should be a bit bigger. Just the font size should be 28 and it's almost same. Okay, I'm going to save it and create this part. Meet our team. Okay, now again click on this plus sign, go for regular, and we are going to start with this 3 column row, and I'm going to add person, this one. Here it is. I'm going to firstly add an image. This one. Okay, not a big deal. I'm going to add this person and white background color. Background color white. Okay, and before I style this, I will have to add background color for this section. You can see the team members background color is white, but the section background color is a bit gray. So I'm going to get the color here, FA. Good. So to style the section background color, I'll have to go for this style editing. Just click on style setting section. Okay, go to design, content, background color, add color. Okay, now it's gray. Now it's, what's the color name? A bit brown or something. Okay, now come here again. I'm going to add some padding, spacing for top 60, bottom 60, left 40, right 40. Okay, here it is. And go for box shadow, click this part. Nice. And shadow blur should be just 10. Okay, and the developer role color, position, name, say for example Ranimo, position, and Facebook profile ID or URL. Just for example st, or for Twitter just hash. You put your real value here. Here it is. LinkedIn. Now I'm going to style the position first. Go to the design, and for the position text should be semi bold, and position text color, position text color. I'm going to add the color here. Okay, position text size, here it is. (24) and position line height, here it is. And again position styling is done. Now title text should be bold, and title text size should be 36. Okay, icon, use font size, here it is. Icon color, here it is blue, but I'm just going to work with blue. Just hit OK. A bit more space on top, so I'm going to go to the design again, and spacing should be 40. It should be 40, and this should be 20, and this should be 22. Okay, that's all. Now I'm going to duplicate it 3 times, and drag and drop here, Nice. Now it's time to change this image. Just click on this gear icon, content, image, just change the image. to this one or this one. You can change the background color. Okay, no, box shadow, background color. You can change the background color of each member, but I don't like. Just work with this. Again, click here, image, remove this one or add this one. That's fine. Now I'm going to create another row. Here it is. Just drag it to top here and duplicate it, drag and drop here our services. Now just simply click here and press the back space from your keyboard and now write team members. Here you can see a little text. Just come and remove it. It's pretty simple. Click on this save button. Now we are going to build this pricing section. So as per usual, I'm going to click on here and regular, start with 3, and here you can see pricing table. Okay, so sad. I'm going to rearrange the column of this row, just one column. Okay, it should be one column. Just if you make any mistake to select the column, don't worry, just come here and you can see the mouse cursor and click on it, and again you can reset, you can change. Nothing to be worried about. Okay, now I'm going to customize this. Just click on this gear icon and add new. So there should be 3. It should be finally like this one. What I'm going to do, just remove this one, and remove this one. Now firstly take the color of this background. So click here, choose the background color first, and change the text color. Okay, I'm just going to put the text to basic. The title should be basic. Basic. And best for on-site. Currency dollar, frequency monthly or month. Price $5 and button text will be purchase. Okay, and link. There should be a link. Say for example this link. So button link URL, and it should be open in the new tab. Okay, Now what I'm going to do, make this feature text white and design this button. Go to the design part and the bullet, remove the bullet, bullet color and text color, title color, featured header background, title color, table header background color, table header background color, this color, header background color, again sorry, layout, title, table header background color. Here it is. I'm going to make it bold. Text color, alignment center, subtitle color, bold, price text, white, no color, white color. Okay, currency and frequency text, currency and frequency white. Here it is. And what about the text? Body text, regular, color should be white. And go to the content, text. I'm just going to remove this and add 2 more. Finally, I want to design this button. Here it is. Just go to the design part and scroll down, and here you can see button. Use custom style, button text color white and border width 100%, border color white, border width 2, border radius 100 pixel, and button font by default Montserrat, and show icon. Okay, show icon on hover, just this icon. Almost done. Now what I'm going to do, just going to duplicate this and duplicate this. Fine. Okay, and I'm going to make this middle on featured so that it stands out. Just going to edit this middle on and just scroll down, change the price to 10 best for two side. Go to the design part, layout, make this featured. Okay. I'm going to change the background color. So take this color, go to the design, title text, header background color, okay. I'm going to save it. Now it's time for the number 3. Edit the number 3 and text will be advanced. And price 50. We'll see the background color. Go to the design, see title text, header background color, this one. On AM and go to the first one, go to the design, check the title text and go to the line height to on. Here it is. Go to the second one and this one should be developer. Okay, so here we will have to add reasonable pricing. So what we are going to do, just add a new row and do nothing, just drag and drop the row here on top. Just drag and drop the top and again duplicate this and drag and drop to the bottom here. Sorry, I made a mistake. Just press Ctrl Z and just drag and drop here. Reasonable pricing. Just hit save. Okay, now you can see Okay, now you can see happy client section. Okay, we are going to create this. Just I'm going to create a new section. This time I will duplicate this section. Okay, here it is, duplicate section, and I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to start with one column, or here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns. And the text will be happy clients. Just happy clients. I'm just going to add the demo logos. Click here, image, add image, Spotify, again add image, Microsoft, add image, okay, almost done. And here you can see a section background color. So I'm just going to get the color UD and just edit the section, go to the background, add background color. That's all. Just hit save. Now I'm going to add this latest blog posts. Okay, to do that I will have to add some blog post. Okay, just going to get the dashboard, and at the moment I don't have any blog post, so I'm going to get back post. Here you can see I have created several posts, so you should do this. And if you don't know how to add post, I mean if you are a very beginner to WordPress, then just from the WordPress dashboard go to post section and hit this add new, or from here add new, and put a title here, put some text here, and add featured image from here and hit publish. It's super easy. Okay, so get back to the main work. As per usual, I'm going to create a section first for it. So to create a section, you should click on this blue plus sign, regular, and on column row. It doesn't matter, you can anytime change the number of columns. Okay, here it is, and now ask me to add any module. We are going to add blog module. Here it is, blog. You see blog posts added, but we will do something like this. So what I'm going to do, go to the design part first, and from the layout I'm going to make it grid. Okay, here you can see, but it shows 10 posts. But go to the content part again and click on content. I'm going to add only 3. Here it is, but 6 should be better. Here it is. Okay, and it says you can individually show any categories of your blog post, or you can show all categories. Okay, if you want to show any specific categories, and here you can see all the categories are listed here. You can increase the size anytime. Okay, here it is, and you can bring it to the left or make it free. Well, anyway, I'm going to show you the date format. You can change the date format, content length, show excerpt or show content. If you want to show content, it will show the full content, but it should be excerpt. And elements, it's pretty easy. You can just change yourself according to your need. And link, background, you can put background to each of this box. Okay, sorry, for the module actually, not for the box. And I'm going to remove the background, and just for content I'm going to put 3. Go to the design part, overlay, featured image overlay. You can add overlay color. Okay, just this one, and make it transparent. Here it is, and overlay icon color should be red or white. Actually, it offers you a good number of designing options. Okay, you can design according to your choice. Text, title, and title should be bold. And font, I have chosen Montserrat. Okay, and sizing, you can manage the sizing. Okay, lot of options. And animation, bounce, flip, flip from right, animation, flip from right. Okay, just I'm going to bring it here. Okay, now what we need to take this. Okay, so hope you could understand what I'm going to do. Okay, I need to remove these older entries. Just go again, go to the elements, show pagination, disable pagination, and it's gone. Again, I'm going to add a row, and what I'm going to do, drag and drop the row on top, and I'm going to duplicate this one. Okay, and drag and drop here, and here we will write latest blog post. Well, that's cool. Now we are going to save the update work. Now we are going to add this contact form section. Okay, so let's see how to do that. So as per usual, we are going to create a new section. And contact, here it is, contact form, and here goes it. So firstly, just going to add this background image from the section editor. Just click on this section setting gear icon and add background image. I'm going to add this image. Here you can see the image is added, and go to the design part, and here you can use parallax effect. The image will be still fixed, and if you move the section, here you can see the image is fixed. If I scroll down, it goes down, goes up, but the background image is fixed. It's called parallax effect. Okay, and we want CSS parallax or true parallax, whatever, you can try both. And go to the design part, and from the sizing, I'm going to manage the minimum height. Minimum height should be 600 pixel or 600 pixel. Here it is, and hit save changes, and you can see a background color under this form. Okay, go to the module setting, and from here you can add a background color, and here you can see, but we are going to get this color. Well, this is the color code, and I'm going to replace the color code here. So here it is. I'm going to fix it on the left. Here it is. So I'm going to add some padding. If you are familiar with CSS, then you know how to add padding, but here you want to write any code, just go to the design part and add spacing. From the top, I'm going to add 60, bottom 60, on left 40, on right 40. Well, if you want, you can keep the captcha math. Well, we are going to make it transparent, the background. So again, go to the content, and from background, I'm going to make the background transparent to 60%. Okay, and save it. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to size it and style the submit button. Well, it's under module settings. That's click on here and go to the design, and you can see sizing, and you can manage the width of the module. Here it is, and module alignment center. So you can see we have set the size of this contact form to 50%. You can increase it or decrease it anytime, and in the latest version of Divi theme you can just drag and drop to manage the width and height. Okay, so it doesn't matter. I'm just going to change some settings of this contact form module, and here you can see all the field: name, email address, and messages. Email, you should put your email address here just for test @test.com, and put the message button, and go to the elements. You can see show captcha. I'm going to disable it. Now only button. Redirect, you can redirect after successfully submit of this form, or you can make it stable here. Go to the design part again, and here you can see the button. Use custom style for the button, and button text color white, border radius 100%. Okay, it's cool. And button font should be bold, and button icon, say for example this icon color white. Save it. And before I complete this, you can set the successful message here and change the submit button text here. Yeah, we have already added the email, and you can see the elements. That's all. So I'm going to save it and save here. Okay, now it's our time to create this footer section. So we are going to create a new section again. New section, regular, but this time we will take 3 column row, and in the first module use text, and write the name, themes code, okay, and this is small text. Now we are going to style this color, style this text. Go to the design and heading text, heading 3, make it bold, the font size, here it is, and going to add these links. So again take a text module and just replace this. Go to the design part and just text. You will find text color to light or dark. Text color white, text color black, font size heading text, content, link. Okay, just keep it default. And again I'm going to add this social media icons, social network, add social, Facebook, Twitter, add new social network, LinkedIn, another one, Pinterest. Okay, so we are going to add another module here, text, and I'm just going to put it social network. I'm going to bring it top and just going to design this text. Text should be bold. Okay, go to the text, and the text is basically heading 4. So go to the design, heading text, select H4 and make it Montserrat bold. That's cool. So we are going to provide this background color, set this background color, just the color code. Go to the section editing option, background color. Oh my goodness, I think I should make it white. So we are going to edit it again and go to the design, heading text, should be bold, and H3 white. Go for the text, color white. That's all. And again here, sitemap, heading 3, go to the design, heading, select 3, color white. Go to the content again, okay, design, again here, design, heading text, it's H4 probably, and select the color. That's all. I'm just going to save it. Now I'm going to hide this default footer. I'm going to preview the site on a new tab. and if I scroll down, here it is. We are going to hide this. So what I'm going to do, just click over here and just right click over here, and you can see inspect, just inspect element, and here you can see main footer. Just get the ID of main footer and go to the customizer. From the dashboard, theme customizer, additional CSS, add this CSS code, display none. Okay, I just added this CSS code on the additional CSS, just hash sign to add target this target that footer area, and I type display none. If I remove this, then it will show up here again. Okay, just I added display none to hide that. Just hit publish. That's okay. Now I'm just going to show you the demo website. Here if you click on any menu, it just bring you to that section. Okay, now finally, before I finish, I will show you how to add this to the menu. Just now we are going to work on the menu. Okay, go to the dashboard, from this tab I'm just going to access to the menus. Okay, under appearance you will find menu. Firstly, I will have to name the menu. I'm going to name it main menu, and click this button, create menu. Okay, well, actually you can add pages, post, custom links, categories to your menu items. As it is a on-page scrolling website, I'm just going to add custom links actually, no any pages. To make it scrollable, what I'll have to do, I'll have to name this section with an CSS ID and add that ID to this menu section. So how I'm going to do that, just save it here or save it here. Now go to the every sections. I'm going to start from this top, and here you can see the section editing, section setting. Click on it and go to the advanced tab, and here you can see CSS ID and classes. I'm going to add an ID, just hero banner by hero. I'm just going to call it hero section and hit save. Okay, as I have named it hero section, what I will have to do, I'll have to get this name and come here. I will have to write here hash sign and hero section and name it to home and add to menu, just save menu. Again, for this next section I'm going to edit this section just on corner, on left corner, just click on it and go to the advanced tab and add CSS ID and classes, add a name service. Okay, just save it. I'm going to access the dashboard again, and here you can see custom links. I'm going to add hash sign service, and the link should be service. Add to menu. Great. Okay, and point this menu to primary menu. Hit save. Now I'm going to show you what happens. Here it is. If I click on service, okay, I'll have to save it. Now reload the page again. If I click on service, it will bring you to there. If I click on home, okay. In the same way, I'll have to add all the sections to the menu. Just come here. Here I'm going to edit this section again. Advanced. Name it about. It's pretty easy. Just add an CSS ID to every section through the section setting. Okay, and go to the menu section, add custom links. What you will have to do, add hash sign, name of the section ID, and here the name of the label on menu item, about, and add here. Okay, in the same way we are going to do for the menu team members section. So I believe you can find it easy. Just again go to the section heading, section setting, and add ID to team. Go to the menu section, add hash sign team. Add to menu. Again go to the pricing section, add an CSS ID pricing. Come here, add to menu, clients, blog. Now contact, so finally I'm going to save it. Go to the menu section, add contact, and add to menu and save menu. I'm going to reload this page again. So I'm going to test it again. Just hit contact, it goes here, and clients, pricing, team, about, section, home, and that's all. If you want to add logo here, it's super easy. Go to the dashboard, Divi, theme options. Just here you can see logo, upload logo, set logo, and hit save changes. Reload the page again. Here it is. Well, I think you could follow the steps and complete the process and finally build a on-page WordPress website using Divi theme. If you face any issue or if you want to share your opinion with me, just feel free to leave a comment on the comment box, and I have provided the links of the theme and the hosting provider in the video description. Thank you.